Guys, I'm Matt with Alpha Consulting. We're here today to show you some different options that you can use when you want to do some utility inspection. So we're going to show you some different examples with the Z30, the X5S, and some other camera options on both towers, like you can see here, water towers. You'll see some cell towers on top of that, as well as other poles and other type of inspection opportunities that you might encounter in the field. So here we go. Under the Part 107, you're limited to 400 feet. However, when you're doing an inspection like this of a guide-wired tower, you can go up to 400 feet above the tower in a 400-foot radius, which allows you that operational inspection control to be able to see a lot of different things on the tower. You'll see in this tower inspection, we actually found a couple wires that were unplugged on a couple of different devices that were up there with the antennas. Utilizing these tools, we are able to create a much safer environment than sending someone up the tower or using a helicopter. We also can get a new perspective with the drones by being able to not only look at the top of the insulator, but inside as well. This offers a much faster assessment, allowing for the right tools to be brought up the first time.